Welcome to Product Critique, where performance meets precision. In today's video, we're diving into why the NGK4469 Iridium X spark plugs LFR5AIX11 is the best spark plugs Iridium performance set you can get for your vehicle. Let's get started. When it comes to maximizing your engine's performance and efficiency, spark plugs play a crucial role, and NGK is no stranger to top-tier ignition components. The 4469 Iridium X spark plugs are engineered to be more than just a replacement. They're an upgrade. First, these spark plugs feature a fine wire iridium center electrode. Now, iridium is one of the hardest metals on Earth, known for its incredibly high melting point. In spark plugs, this translates to enhanced durability, better ignitability, and a more consistent spark over time. NGK has harnessed this material to produce a plug that can handle extreme conditions, perfect for modern engines, especially those that are fuel-injected or turbocharged. The LFR5AIX11 model is precision-built using NGK's proprietary laser welding technology, which ensures the electrodes are perfectly formed and durable. That fine wire tip not only reduces voltage requirements but also minimizes misfires and improves throttle response. This means your car accelerates faster, idles smoother, and burns fuel more efficiently. Another highlight is the nickel alloy terrain ground electrode, which complements the iridium center by resisting wear and tear. This design helps maintain a precise gap longer than standard plugs, resulting in a prolonged performance life. NGK states you can expect anywhere between 40,000 to 50,000 miles of reliable service before needing a replacement. The thread size is 14 mm with a 1.25 mm pitch, a common spec that fits a wide range of car and truck engines. That said, always double-check your vehicle's manual or compatibility list to confirm. Whether you're a performance enthusiast looking to get every ounce of power from your engine, a daily driver who wants smoother acceleration and fuel savings, or a mechanic who refuses to install anything but the best, this six-pack is a solid investment. Installation is also pretty straightforward. If you're comfortable with basic engine maintenance, you'll find swapping out your old plugs with these a breeze. Just be sure to follow the torque specifications and handle the plugs carefully during installation to avoid damaging the fine electrode. To sum it up, with enhanced ignitability, long-lasting materials, and a noticeable improvement in engine performance, the NGK4469 Iridium X spark plugs are a premium choice. Backed by NGK's stellar reputation and widespread compatibility, this set delivers both reliability and results. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're considering a spark plug upgrade, this six-pack should be at the top of your list. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments below. Until next time, keep your engine running smooth and strong.